We aim to produce quality and competent technologists in various disciplines of the healthcare system. Currently, we offer BS programs in around 10 disciplines of different technologies, and we aim to increase these programs every year. As we all know that healthcare system delivery, and to make a healthcare system efficient, there is a team of medical professionals who basically perform different tasks to provide quality healthcare services. This team is not limited to only doctors or nurses. Certain other professionals like rehab specialists, technologists. So this college helps the healthcare system to provide and produce quality professionals in the disciplines of different technologies to cater for the needs of the healthcare system. As far as this college is concerned, the beauty of this college is that everything works smoothly under one roof. So we have our own 650 plus bedded hospital where our students and graduates and trainees basically get training and provide the services accordingly. The college has a dedicated infrastructure which covers all the aspects of these programs, including classrooms, skill labs, library, and all other facilities. And all these systems are well integrated through an established IT system. Each discipline and each program has its own skill lab, which is an important requirement for their skill development, professional development, or obviously their learning process. So all these labs are well equipped and the students get trained on daily basis as part of their curriculum and above that. We have a well-developed scholarship policy, and according to that policy, every student, whoever is entitled and falls into that criteria, gets these scholarships annually. I would suggest all the students, whoever wants to take admission anywhere, so my suggestion would be to first explore the institution, see all the facilities, and then compare and then make a list and opt for admission whichever institute basically suits all the requirements and fulfills all the requirements.